Once I discovered a little bit more about my Armstrong history, I had to come over here and research it because there's still so much that's tangible. I thought I might bicycle the route, and then I thought, well, I could cover more ground on a motorcycle. And then, so I thought, well, I got to buy a motorcycle. So I started looking, and I was looking for the stuff that I was familiar with, right? But then this Armstrong motorcycle surfaced, and I said, what's that? And to my surprise, this British military motorcycle existed, and I said, I got to have one of those. That would make the whole trip complete. Oh, the bike was great. The bike was, it was great. I mean, I can't explain how the doggone thing feels going down the road. You have to just experience it, because it's just, that 500 motor is all you need. It's got so much power, and especially when you're around 40, 50 degrees and you give it some throttle, it brings a smile to your face. It's and the sound of it, I'm gonna miss that sound, but the motorcycle is like, it was perfect for what I wanted to do. It was perfect. I think the UK is a great place for motorcycling, and I'm gonna be back.